Great day mga bossing. Papunta tayo ngayon ng capital town sa San Fernando, Pampanga. Merong event ngayon, tawag isa Paldak Pampanga, which is event to ng Mega World. So a-attend tayo since manggagaling pa tayo ng Bataan, and it's around 3:30 AM na, para makarating din tayo doon. So gagamit na tayo ng pinagbabawal na technique. Ayan. So gamit yung tricod ko na si Vinci. Ayan, sinakay ko na sa likod si bebe ko. Medyo madilim pero ewan ko ito isa. Ayan, para at least din mamaya pa uwi since sobrang init na rin ngayon, hindi na ako pumadyak pa uwi. Dahil medyo iba na yung panahon mga bossing. So pag pa uwi, pinagbabawal na technique. So enjoy lang natin yung ride since fun ride lang naman siya. Tara, balikan ko kayo mamaya pag nandun na tayo. Yun, at andito na tayo sa venue mga bossing. So tayo sa capital town, which is kung saan din matatagpuan ng pinakamalaking store ng Jollibee.
Pinakamalaking store ng Jollibee.
Lalo na dito sa Pampanga. So yan, head tayo doon and registration. Sa registration muna. So ayan, no waiver, no sticker. So dapat makakuha ng waiver, makapag-waiver and sticker. And then hindi rin pwede ng fixie or mga fixed gear na bike. Dapat may preno para safe lahat.
Okay na naman. Marting Nomad.
Ay, sir.
Saan galing? Bataan pa.
Oo.
Ayos
Sino kasama niyo po?
Mga tropa dito.
Dyan po. Nakita tayo mamaya, sir. T3. Dito. Thank you. Okay, so lalagyan kami ng stickers yung kung ano yung number namin. Number ko. Okay, so after natin na mag-sign ng waiver at makuha na yung ating sticker, ikot muna tayo mga bossing kung ano meron dito. Tara! Participant tayo doon. Ay si Sir, Sir. Ayan, mag-i-start na siguro tayo niya. Good morning. Morning, good morning. May sticker na ako.
Ayun pa. Ayun. Ay, thank you. Thank you ba isa si Jonas?
Oo, sige Sir.
Ano yung tips ng mga ride nyo
Maraming magandang puntahan sa Bataan. Good morning.
Make sure to complete signing your waiver report. Claim and stick your numbers on the right side of your helmet because we'll be starting the program
Oh, may
in a
babies
short
po ba?
while. May we invite everyone
Sila
to
yung
please gather in
one of the
front
sponsors
stage.
po, no?
Thank you.
Ayos. Ano po yung ano sir? Ano po yung sa
Pit Barkada po. Barkada.
Pit Barkada.
Opo, sa
ayan.
Facebook po.
Join tayo sa Pit Barkada
Pwede
Facebook.
kayo mag-upload din ng mga event nyo na with Pit Bar.
Great. Okay sir. Thank you. Pit Barkada. Pit Bar. Ano? Ongoing pa yung registration tsaka signing of waiver. Sa after nun siguro mga 5:30 right out na kami mga bosses. So kita tayo mamaya.
Join us this early for the much-awaited Paldak Pampanga. We are thrilled to welcome each and every one of you to the very first ever cycling expedition hosted by Capital Town Pampanga. Palakpakan tayo naman po yung kakatamang Capital Town Pampanga. And of course, in partnership with the city government of San Fernando, Pampanga. Since the pandemic, we noticed that there is a growing community of cyclists in our province, making Capital Town Pampanga a popular biking destination, not only for locals, but also for the cyclists from our neighboring provinces.
High knees. So high knees first, let's do 30 seconds like this. Okay, ready? 3, 2. Okay, last 10 seconds. Last 15. Go, open lang. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, last 15, go.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't get
So dito tayo sa aming first stop sa San Guillermo Church, Bossy. So bali ang purpose lang talaga ng ride na to is more on historical, tsaka yung mga pwede natin puntahan, mga tourist spots dito sa Pampanga. So on our way to Eco Park mga bossing, dito sa may tulay, dito sa may Bacolor, which is the KAPADJACKERS Bridge. So kakanan tayo doon. Papunta tayo ng Eco Park, Santa Rita. Doon po yung next stop natin. Nandito kami sa Minalin Sunset Park.
Okay, get ready to our bikers. Get ready to our bikers.
Thank you.
So, thank you to all cyclists who came to our event, Paldak Pampanga. So in Paldak Pampanga, we aim to promote our tourism destinations, our heritage sites. So we went to San Guillermo Church, to the Betis Church, and to Eco Park, Sunset. To all cyclists who enjoyed the event so much, and we hope you continue putting Capital Town in your cycling destinations, and because in Capital Town Pampanga we are a very bike friendly community. We're very bike friendly township.
Okay. Mamay part 2 pa ba? Ng
Ano,
Paldak Pampanga.
tignan natin, baka magkala.